Hi friends, my name is Shreshth. I am a hero of Motivate Mee Academy. So I am telling a story which sir has given us with body language, a hunter and a bird. One day, a hunter came to the forest in search of prey. He saw a bird whose droppings turned into gold. He was surprised. He decided to give the bird as a present to the king. So he caught the bird and rushed to the king's palace. So he walked there to the king and said, "Your Majesty, look at this bird. Bird's droppings turned into gold. This is my gift for you. Take this. Please take care." But the minister advised, "Don't trust him. What he's saying is impossible." Then the king agreed and freed the bird. Then he saw bird's droppings indeed turned into gold. Then he became angry. Then he gave punishment to the minister. So, my dear friends, the moral of the story is anything is possible.